and welcome to a Minecraft Whisper video in my new main world. And I said next video I will be in my normal world, but oh, there goes my shears. I will not. I need to start the tree house. So I get a new pair of shearers, and I need to get this up perfect. Maybe the last video doesn't get published because I don't want it published. Well, I don't really. Anyway, we need to head home. Oh yeah, I don't have any shearers. Anyway, I know this completes blah blah blah, whatever. Anyway, straight to the tree house. What house? Anyway, we're gonna get ourselves a lovely 2 pieces of iron. Oh God, I'm recording. Would you just shut up for once in your life? Please. I'm not going to send him. I'm not going to talk. I'm not even going to look at it. Because you do not know how disgraced I'm with David. Oh, this is actually quite a good place. You got some iron. Oh, more iron. Anyway, I won't come in here. I'll go in here out of video. And of course, it's getting late. No, let's jump. Wait a sec. Ooh, little secret cave there. God, shut up. Oh, Demi viewer, thank you for listening to my song. Where are you? Oh God, you're just sending some messages. If he watches this, yeah, he's going to be disgraced in it. Oh God, I want to get some more bones as well. But I'm not gonna. I'll do that out of video. I'm not adding to this house. This is my house tree. It's not a tree house, it's a house tree. My tree house is going to be my main house. Whee! Do I have any iron smelting? Oh yes, I had some food cooking. Anyways, to get off the movement, we need, oh look at that, beautiful. Now, we need to start cooking some of our iron, don't we? Iron is by here. 7. That's going to be enough for another pickaxe. God, shut up, you dumb thing. What? I'm disconnected. Oh, what the? Oh my, giddy auntie's breath. Didn't think that would happen. Oh, Lewis, David Hayes. I think it must be him. He must have done something to get me disconnected. That bad boy. Anyway, maybe collect another piece of iron and make some shearers. Okay, let's make an extra pair just in case. 2 pairs of shears should do enough. Right then, let's do this. Okay, 2 pairs of shears though. That's a little. Is that a little bit overdrawn? Do you think? Obviously. Boing. Which edition of Minecraft is the best? Xbox, PC, or Pocket? Pocket is not my favourite. I'm not so satisfied yet. Look how much 1 piece of shears got me. 1, 2, 3. Well, basically 3.5 stacks. And that's all off 1 tree as well. Well, that's crazy, isn't it? Crazy. Oh, I also out of video gathered. Oh, I think in video or out. I'm not sure. If you haven't seen them, my lovely doggy woggies. We will be having a home soon, but Not in a tree like me. Oh, I never realised this down here. Oh, is right. Remember in the last video, Leon is a bit of a noob to Minecraft. I found that a little bit insulting. Oh no, I hate walls though. I hate some walls because they kill sheep. And I need sheep for wall. Oh god. Well, I do though. I do need wool. Don't I? Guys, I need wool, so I don't like wild dogs. I'm honest, I don't. Anyway, I don't care, let's discuss shearing. God. No! I'll save you. Anyway, I've got at least quite a lot. My tree house is be done. Ooh, the old challenge part 5 challenge completed. Wait, where did I place the blocks? Down by here. Oh god. Hopefully I just bang my head. There we go. Let's not be silly this time. Bang, 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 bang. So I am going to get plenty of wood off this as well. Like I'm taking out a bigger tree in the forest. Oh boy. This axe is gaining durability and it's got Unbreaking 1. Oh, I see. You need Unbreaking 1. I think it is 4. 3 or whatever the top is. Unbreaking. We will unbreak all you and you. Boo boo. I almost lost my life then. Just trying to collect some stuff. Oh no. Oh boy. Oh, God. Sometimes you don't want to cut out the biggest tree in the forest because it's not going to be a friend anymore. I think Unbreaking just means it gets longer life. Now I'm getting it. Oh, God. My old challenge is complete. I think it's part 5 or 4. I'm not sure. Oh my goodness, guns. Oh my god. Hey, let's make a staircase. Well, actually I'll make some ladders later. Ladders later. It's L. Oh! Why am I falling so much? God, I think I've got enough trees for now. Yeah. Wait, how much bark do I have? 8. I'm going to need much more bark than that. Aren't I, wolves? I've got an idea. I'm going to build a doghouse now. Right now. You can get it. It's a bit early though, isn't it, to build a doghouse? But it isn't. Oops. Who cares? Anyway, it isn't early. It's perfect. Oh. Look, this is what I'm going to do, look. Doghouse walls, leaves. Huh? Good idea or what? Like this tree is going to be like a dog house. Get it? Oh God, I love that idea. I can't believe I came up with that. That is awesome. It's like it's going to be like hidden as well as awesome. Even though it is going to use up some of my leaves, but I am going to have to lose them eventually. Hear that, dogs? You've already got a home. Well, it's not very big at least. But you can get used to it. Won't you? Yeah, you'll get used to this place. I just know it. Oops. There we go. You've got a little doghouse. Yeah, that's a nice little doghouse, yeah? Now just get some silk touch. God, do I have a shovel? Nope. Let's just use my fork then. Nope, you're not having any. Okay, we've almost done it, though. A doghouse. I didn't come up with any plans after the video, but this is a doghouse, isn't it? Quite sweet. Treehouse. It's a tree doghouse. It's an underground. It's like a hidden treehouse for dogs. Not for my dogs, at least. No one else's. Okay, that can be the main entrance. Come on, dogs. In, quickly, quickly. Shh, shh, shh. You're going to be safe in here. Yeah, sure, you'll be safe in here. Quickly, get in. Come on, boys. In. In your house, quickly, before the baddies bogies spawn. Batty bogies spawn. Anyway, I made that.